Question number 6. For an ideal solution with PA greater than PB, which of the following is true? A. Chi A of liquid is equal to the chi A of vapor. B. Chi A of liquid is greater than the chi A of vapors. C. Chi A of liquid is smaller than chi A of vapors. D. Chi A and chi A of vapors and liquid do not bear any relationship with each other. Well, in this entire scenario, if we take into consideration of a basic thing such as PA is equal to, the relationship is equal to YA into P of total. Let's take this. This is our expression, right? And we also know that PA is equal to P naught of A into YA. Let's say this one. Okay, so here, therefore, we would say that here from this particular expression, YA is going to be, YA is nothing more than, it is directly proportional to chi A, right? So therefore, if that is an expression, then we are going to say that PA is greater than PB in this case. Okay, so as we have YA is directly proportional to chi A, then PA is going to be greater than PB. If this is a condition achieved, then we would say that chi A is usually greater than chi B. Okay, so therefore, in this entire scenario, we would say that the option B as what we have, that is chi of A, that is for our liquids, for our liquid, is eventually greater than chi B for the vapors over here. So therefore, option B serves the correct answer.